Today we're checking out this 4-in-1 USB-C cable by mFish, and when you take it out of the box you see that it comes inside this very nice hard shell case that's closed with a zipper. And as we unzip this hard shell case, we come to find this very nice looking pink cable, and the material is like a silicone, which makes it very flexible and very easy to untangle. Very nice to the touch. And yes, you can see the connectors have like a metallic gold, which makes it look even nicer. Now, as you can see, it defaults to Lightning to USB-A, but there's more to this than meets the eye, because the USB-A can be transformed into a USB-C connector, as you can see. And the Lightning connector can transform into a USB-C as well. So this is how you have a 4-in-1. You can have a USB-C to USB-A, as well as USB-C to USB-C, and then the Lightning can plug back in and make it a Lightning to USB-C. Now, storing it away, as you can see, is really easy, because the material being silicone makes it super easy to handle, and you can just kind of twist it a little bit and then coil it up. And as you can see, the material makes it super easy to coil it back up to stow away, so you can just curl it back up and use the included cable tie, and then just tuck it inside the hard shell case, which is actually a lot easier than it looks, because again, the material is so flexible.